Good afternoon, grade 7. We will have now our computer 7. We'll be meeting once a week for this subject. That is why we need to hurry up. Okay? We are now in the middle of the discussion pertaining to spreadsheets. Sheets can also be hidden from view. Hiding sheets impose level of security, as sheets may contain sensitive data for user can be made invisible from view. To hide sheets, on the sheet tab, right click menu, then choose hide. Like for example, for this one, let me share again my screen. Okay. By the way, your major exam, a third periodical test is fast approaching, where we will be also discussing about the instructions and the number of items pertaining to your major exam, third periodical tests. Okay. To hide sheets, again, right click, okay, and click hide. So your sheet now is being hide. The purpose why you need to hide sheets is because sometimes these sheets may contain sensitive information, like for example, the cost of the product, what else? The grades, okay? So these are for security purpose. And you can always unhide a sheet. Okay, right click and click unhide and then choose a particular sheet to be unhide. Okay, and click OK. So there you go. Your sheet now is visible to the view. Okay, again, if this is your sheet, okay, click hide. Automatically, your sheet will be hidden. And to unhide the sheet, right click on any of the sheets, okay, and click unhide. Choose the sheet to be unhide, okay, and there you go. Your sheet now becomes visible. Okay, let's continue. Hidden sheets can do not delete or get deleted from the file. To see hidden sheets, again, or I already given you an information on how to unhide and hide a sheet. The unhide tool will show up in the hidden sheets from the file. The user can then select the file to hide or to unhide, then click OK. Okay. Okay. Worksheets can be permanently deleted from the sheet tab. Right click menu, then choose delete. Once the sheet is deleted, it cannot be undone. Like for example, for this one, if this is our sheet, okay, I will delete sheet number 3. Okay, right click and delete. So it is now deleted. How to add again a sheet? Just click the plus button to add a new sheet. Right? Print options for spreadsheets. Printing spreadsheets can be tricky. Unlike the documents, just as set paper size right from the start of creating. Sizing worksheets can vary as it can accommodate several numbers of rows and columns. But by default, if the print option is simply click, MS Excel will determine how many pages the worksheet will be or maintain its font size of cells. This can lead to several pages and may print the worksheet based on how the user needs it to. The range which be included in the page can be determined from the page break preview found in the view tab. Okay, like for example this one. Okay, let me share my screen again. Let's have this. Okay, view page break preview. Okay, you can see only here. Okay, this is page 1. Can you see page 1? Grade 7. Hermoso and Miguel. Okay. Or if you're going to look at it, Can you see the broken lines here? Hermoso and Miguel, the broken lines. Okay, this represents now the boundary of your page 1. Okay, the second is page 2 here. Okay, so if you're going to input here, it will become page 2. Okay, okay, page 2. This is page 1. Okay, aside from that, you can also click Control P for printing, and you can see the pages. This is page 1 and this is page 2, right? Or you can only choose, like for example, you want to print this document only. Okay, you need to highlight the document that you want to be printed. Control P, or just simply print here, file, and print. Okay, in the settings, you can see print selection. Okay, only print the current selection. So if you're going to click that one, it will just choose the one you had highlighted. Okay, it's page 1 only. But if you're going to print active sheets, okay, you can see actually page 2. Okay, let's continue. These blue lines can be dragged to adjust which ranges to a page. Also, there is a watermark of the page numbered place over the sheets. That's just like the one you actually saw a while ago. It has actually watermark of page 1 and page 2. Okay, this one. This is the watermark. Okay, so we're done with the module 2 of third quarter. What I want you to do now, Hermoso and Miguel, are you still with me? Hermoso and Miguel? Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to do activity number 1, spreadsheet functions. Okay, instructions. Instructions is here. Identification. Let me go to the first slide. The instruction is in A is identification. You need to identify the shortcuts. And B is situational. You need to answer A, B, or C. Except for number 7, because number 7 is an essay question. Okay? Based on the answers above, how would you describe the use of MS Excel? Okay? All right. But before anything else, do you have any questions so far? Again, Miguel and Hermoso, please tell your classmates about the activity, okay? I know you have your separate GC of your classmates, okay? Please inform them because I might um hide this after our session, right? Remember, we are just meeting only once a week. That is why, right? For your major exam, let's discuss first the instructions and the number of items in your major exams for Computer 7. And remember, you don't have actually a mastery test for Computer 7. So, for your third periodical test in Computer 7, this means a lot, right? This will actually um, has a big impact in your grades. Okay? Hermoso and Miguel, are you still with me? Hermoso and Miguel? Okay. For third periodical test in Computer 7, 1 or test 1A is identification. You need to identify the terminologies being described in each statements. Test 1B is modified identification. You need to identify based on the situation. Okay. And test 2A is analysis. You need to analyze the situation below and write your answers in the space provided. Okay. Tests 2B is essay questions. Okay. For a total of 35 items. Again, for the total of 35 items all in all for the third periodical test in Computer 7. Right? Do you have any questions so far? Miguel and Hermoso? Okay. Alright? I'll be ending this Zoom meeting in order for you to do your activity, and please inform your classmates to do the activity since we are just meeting once a week. And we need to hurry up. Your third periodical test is fast approaching, right? Okay. I think that's all for today, class. Thank you for your participation, Hermoso and Miguel. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.